Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a night black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 254 pounds of torque. This one does come with an LED logo which illuminates at night up front. We've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, CLA 250 4MATIC badging, a set of clean floor mats, plenty of space in the back. Coming up front, we've got the Premium 1 package, which comes with the CLA, which comes with blind spot assist, a keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you an Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera, a nice black grain wood trim, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate zone, cup holders. This CLA has 16,543 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA, check out feldmanimports.com.